friends, welcome back, and if you're new to our channel, thank you for stopping by. Well, today I have a beautiful and easy granny square pattern to share with you, and I am ready with my hook, and this is the yarn that we are going to use. Let us get started. I have already done my magic ring and my hook size is 2.5 mm. Once that is done, let us chain 3. Chain of 3 counts as 1 double crochet. Now into the magic ring, let's work 1 double crochet again. Now after that we are going to chain 5. That's done. Once the chain of 5 is done, into the magic ring 1 double crochet is done, but it is not completed. Now into the same magic ring we are going to work a second incomplete double crochet. After that, yarn over, pull through all. So let us repeat again. Chain 5, into the magic ring we are going to work 1 incomplete double crochet. Now the second incomplete double crochet is done. We have 3 stitches on the hook, yarn over, pull through all. Now let us chain 5 again and work the 2 incomplete double crochet again. So let us do the first one. That's our first incomplete double crochet. Now this is the second incomplete double crochet. 3 stitches on the hook, yarn over, pull through all. After that, a chain of 5 is to be worked again. Now we are going to work those clusters. I will name it clusters so that it becomes easy for us to identify. It has to be 8 in number. So here I am working a cluster again. 5 is done. We need to have 8 such clusters. Now let's count. 7 is done. After that I chained 5. Now into the magic ring, let's work 1 incomplete double crochet, and again into the magic ring, working our second incomplete double crochet. Yarn over, pull through all. After that, final chain 5 is done. Let's pull the tail of the magic ring to tighten, and now into the space there we are going to slip stitch. So our first round is complete. This is how it is supposed to look. Now let us jump into the chain 5 space, and here I am going to work a chain of 3, which counts as 1 double crochet. Now into the same space I am working 1 double crochet. So 2 double crochet is done. Now let us chain 3, 1, 2 and 3, and into the same space, that is the chain 5 space, I am going to work 2 number of double crochet. That's the first, and this is the second double crochet. Basically this is our first corner. After that, let us chain 5 again, 3, 4 and 5, and into the next chain 5 space we are going to work a single crochet. This is how it is to be worked. Yes. Now chain 5 again, and into the next chain 5 space we are going to work 2 number of double crochet. So this is the first double crochet, followed by the second. After that, let us chain 3 and work 2 number of double crochet into the same space. So my second corner is also ready. Now let us chain 5 and again work a single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now here into the chain 5 space we are going to work a single crochet. Now again a chain of 5 is to be done. 3, 4, 5, and into the next chain 5 space we are going to work our corner, for which we need to work 2 double crochet, chain 3 and again 2 double crochet into the same space. So our third corner is also almost done. So our third corner is complete. Now in the similar fashion we are going to work, and when I reach the starting point I'm going to show you what is to be done next. So my corner is done. Now let us chain 5. 1, 2, 3, that's 4 and 5, and I am going to work a single crochet into the chain 5 space. Yes, now let us chain 5 again and slip stitch into the topmost chain or the third chain. So our round 2 is complete. Let's move on to a new round, for which I am going to skip chain spaces and reach the chain 3 space there. That's the corner space. So here I have reached the corner space, and here I am going to make a chain of 3, which counts as 1 double crochet, and here I am going to work another double crochet. Actually this is a corner in making, so another double crochet again. So basically we worked 2 double crochet and a chain of 3, that means 3 double crochet. After that chain of 3 is done, and into the same space we need to work 3 number of double crochet. That's the second followed by the third. So our first corner is ready. Now let us chain 1, and into the chain 5 space of the previous round we need to work 3 number of double crochet. So that's the third double crochet. Now again chain 1, hop into the chain 5 space of the previous round and work 3 double crochet again. That's the first, followed by the second and the third. Now let us chain 1 and hop into the corner space to work our second corner. The corner is very easy to work. We just need to work 3 double crochet. That's the second, followed by the third, and let us chain 3, 1, 2 and 3, and work 3 double crochet again into the same space. So our second corner is done. Now let us chain 1 and hop into the chain 5 space of the previous round to work 3 double crochet. Very simple. That's the second. This is the third. Now again we are going to chain 1 and hop into the chain 5 space of the previous round to work 3 double crochet. That's the first, followed by the second and the third. See how easy the sequence is. Now let us chain 1 and hop into the corner space where we need to work 3 double crochet, chain of 3, 1, 2, 3, and again 3 double crochet into the same space. That's the first, followed by the second and the third. So our corner is also done. That's the third corner. After that chain 1 and hop into the chain 5 space to work 3 double crochet. So basically this is the sequence that we are going to follow all around. Now again chain 1 and work 3 number of double crochet into the chain 5 space. See how easy it is, and this granny square can be used for almost any project, and it is very easy to remember. You can use solid colored yarns, you can use different colored yarns as well. Now I am going to show you what is to be done when I reach the starting point. I just worked 3 double crochet. After that I just chained 1, and we are going to slip stitch into the topmost chain of the very first chain of 3. So that's done. It's already looking so very cute. Now after that I just chained 5 and then we are going to hop into the corner space and work a single crochet. Now again chain of 5 and work a single crochet into the corner space actually again. Now again chain of 5 and into the chain 1 space we are going to work a single crochet. Again chain of 5 is being done. Into the chain 1 space we are going to work a single crochet. So this particular sequence is also very easy. We just have to work a chain of 5 and then work a single crochet into the chain spaces. It's either the chain 1 space or the chain 3 space in the corner. Now here I'll be working the corner, so after the chain of 5 is made I work a single crochet. Now let us chain 5 again and work a single crochet into the chain 3 space of the corner. Once done, let us chain 5. See, the corner is supposed to look like this, and after chain 5 is done we are going to work single crochet, and in the similar fashion we are going to work all around, and I have almost covered the 3 sides. Now let us chain 5 and hop into the chain 1 space to work a single crochet. Again chain of 5 is to be done and hop into the chain 1 space to work a single crochet. Now let us chain 5 again, and this time we are going to slip stitch right there at the base of the chain of 5 or into the first chain space also you can do. So the slip stitch is done. This is how it is supposed to look. Starting the new round, I am going to hop into the chain 5 space and work a chain of 3, which counts as 1 double crochet. Into the same space I am going to work 2 number of double crochet, 1 and 2. So total we worked 3 double crochet. Once that is done, let us chain 1 and hop into the corner space and work 3 double crochet. That's the third. Chain 3 and again 3 double crochet into the same space. That's the first, followed by the second and the third. So my first corner is ready. Now let us chain 1 and hop into the chain 5 space to work 3 double crochet. That's the first, followed by the second and the third. Now again we are going to repeat, that is chain 1 and work 3 double crochet into the chain 5 space. So this is what we are going to do all around. I just chained 1 and into the chain 5 space we are just going to work a set of 3 double crochet. Just chain 1 and again hop into the chain 5 space to work 3 double crochet. That's the first, followed by the second and the third. See how easy the pattern is. Chain 1 and again into the chain 5 space we are going to work 3 double crochet. That's the first, followed by the second and the third. Now chain 1 and into the chain 5 space in the corner we need to work 3 double crochet. That's the first, followed by the second and the third. After that chain 3 and work 3 double crochet again into the same space. That's the corner space. So my second corner is also done. Chain 1, hop into the chain 5 space to work 3 double crochet. So my 3 double crochet is also done. This is how it is to be worked, and we are going to work all around, and I am going to show you how we are going to end this particular row. So here this is how it looks. I just worked a set of 3 double crochet. Now let us chain 1 and then work a set of 3 double crochet again into the chain 5 space. That's the first, followed by the second and the third. Now let us chain 1 again, and finally to end this particular round we are going to slip stitch into the topmost chain of the very first chain of 3. Wait, I've zoomed in. There we are going to slip stitch. And to secure my work, I'm going to chain 1 and then snip off the yarn. So this is how our beautiful granny square looks. It looks so very nice and it's so very easy to work. So you should try this pattern. Even the freshers who are new into crocheting can try this granny square pattern. This is how it looks. The yellowish one looks a bit bigger in size compared to the pink one because the yarn was a bit thicker than the previous one. So thank you my dear friends for staying till the end. If you all have liked the video, do give a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family members. If you are new to our channel, do consider subscribing and stay tuned for interesting videos. So till we meet again, it's bye for today.